Welcome, dear students. We are discussing our chapter Work and Energy. In our previous video, we already discussed about work, and I think now you are able to give me answer what is work. Okay, work is the product of force and displacement, and displacement should be in the direction of force. This is very important point. This displacement should be in the direction of force. If we are applying force in any body, then we can say that we can find out the work done by that body. Okay, suppose if I am applying force on any body, okay, then we can think that to find out the work done by me. So force is really very important. Okay, if there is no force, it means there is no work done. Okay, number one thing, force is important, and the second thing, displacement is important. As we know, work equal to force into displacement. First thing, force is important, and second thing, displacement is important. If there is no force, if a force equal to 0, it means that work equal to also 0. Okay, and if displacement equal to 0, then also work equal to 0. This is a very simple thing, you can understand it. But let me tell you some other things. Okay, because we have three types of work: positive work, negative work, and zero work. Okay, what does it mean? We have to understand it in this topic. Okay, you can see here this one. Okay, you can see this example. This boy is applying force on this body, ठीक है, and he is pulling this body towards this direction, but the displacement is in this direction. Got it? Suppose this is a body and he is pulling it toward this direction. Am I right? And the displacement of this body is like it. It means that there is some angle between this force and this displacement. Okay? Force and displacement both are not in the same direction. When I talked about the definition of work, then I told you work is to be done when force and displacement should be in the same direction, then product of the force and displacement is work. But in this case, in this example, you can see here, force is in this direction and displacement is in this direction. Okay, there is a change in direction by this angle. It may be 30 degree, 20 degree, 40 degree. Okay, but there is a change in the direction of force and displacement. So how can we find out the work? This is another thing. Then it means that it depends on angle. Okay, this angle. So we get one formula. You have to only memorize this formula. Okay, we are not going very deep to this topic because this sine theta and cos theta, this is a mathematical term. You will know about these terms in 10th class. Okay, in mathematics you will understand it. But it means that then formula becomes this one: w equal to fs cos theta. This is exact formula, this is a right formula. Okay, but if we have angle and we know about theta means angle. Okay, cos theta, this is angle. If we are writing here, you can see here fs cos theta. Okay, this theta is a angle between force and displacement, and this cos, this is a trigonometrical function. Okay, so formula become like it: w equal to fs cos theta. But if I ask to you what is the definition of work, then you will say that the product of force and displacement, okay, when the displacement in the direction of force. So this is a work done. So according to it, okay, if this answer is 0, then we will say work done is 0. If this answer is in negative, then we will say work done is negative. And if this is positive, then we say work done is positive. So today let me tell you when work is positive, when work is negative, and when work is 0. When force and displacement are in both the same direction. Okay, force is here, displacement is also here. It means that the angle between force and displacement is 0 degree. If the angle between force and displacement is 0, then work done is positive. Okay, Second thing, if the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree, okay, if the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree, then work done is zero. Remember this point. Okay, so we have three cases when work done is zero. First case, when f is zero, work done is zero. When displacement is zero, then work done is zero. Another case now, that when the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree, or we can say when f and s both are perpendicular to each other, then work done is zero. And last thing, when work done is negative, ठीक है, when force and displacement are in opposite direction, or we can say 180 degree, if angle between them is 180 degree, then we can say the work done is negative. Got it? So from this we can say there are three types of work: positive work, negative work, and zero work. When force and displacement both are in the same direction, then there will be positive work, and when force and displacement both are in the opposite direction, then there is a negative work. And when force and displacement, okay, both makes 90-degree angle, or we can say when force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, then work done is zero. Got it? So this is all about work. Then we will discuss about energy in another video. Thank you.